everyone, welcome to this special broadcast. I'm coming to you live from Patna, very close to where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to begin his 3-kilometer long road show. In the heart of Patna we are looking at, ladies and gentlemen. This is here where the Prime Minister will be sending a message to his cadres, to the supporters, that they have to be all charged up just ahead of the crucial first phase in which 131 seats go to polls. Remember, it's a two-phase election in Bihar. Prime Minister Modi has been campaigning extensively through the day. He was earlier in Ara. He held a public meeting also in Nevada, and now he is in Patna. Patna is among those districts which are going to polls in the first phase on 6th. Let me give you a sense of where I am. This is very close to the Dinkar Chowk. The significance of Dinkar Chowk cannot be missed. Ramdhari Dinkar has been a cultural icon of Bihar, who famously gave that slogan in 1974 of Sihasan Khali Karo Kyunki Janta Aati Hai. Today the Prime Minister will be garlanding the statue of the great poet and then beginning his 3-kilometer long road show. On both the sides of this road show, the supporters of the BJP and the voters of the BJP are present. They would want to get a glimpse of the Prime Minister. I remember interviewing Prime Minister Modi on the same streets of Patna in 2024. The sentiment then was euphoric. Mr. Modi himself was on the ballot. He was seeking re-election, and remember, Bihar then in 2024 had voted overwhelmingly for NDA, winning 9 seats out of 40 that Bihar sends to the Lok Sabha. Let me speak to some supporters who are here. These are residents of Patna, to get you a sense of what are their expectations of today. आप यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं. 1 घंटे से तो मैंने आप ही को देखा, आप खड़े हैं. क्या देखना चाहेंगे अभी? हम तो अभी मिनिस्टर को देखने आए.
हाँ, प्राइम मिनिस्टर को देखने आए हैं. अब बहुत खुशी है जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर मेरे थी में आ रहे हैं, बिहार में पटना आ रहे हैं. तो ये बहुत खुशी है जो ये है.
आप युवा हैं, क्या उम्मीद है भाजपा से?
भाजपा से हमको बहुत सारी उम्मीदें हैं. जैसे कि अगर एनडीए जीतती है तो बिहार में बहुत रोजगार मिलेगा और पलायन दूर होगा. बिहार से लोग बाहर नहीं जा पाएंगे. जो बाहर लोग जाते हैं छठ के समय में आते हैं, बहुत सारी कठिनाइयां होती है. बिहार में उद्योग बढ़ेगा, व्यापार बढ़ेगा, रोजगार बढ़ेगा. तो
20 साल से तो एनडीए की सरकार है.
हाँ, एनडीए की सरकार है तो 20 साल से है तो काम हो ही रहा है. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि नहीं काम हो रहा है. और फिर भी 5 साल और अगर बढ़िया से और सरकार रहेगा एनडीए की तो बहुत आगे तरक्की होगी.
युवा भी मोदी जी के साथ?
हाँ, युवा तो एकदम मोदी जी के साथ ही साथ खड़ा हुआ है.
मोदी जी के साथ या नीतीश जी के साथ?
मोदी जी के साथ है.
चलिए, you heard what some of those who have gathered here have to say. In fact, on this side, if Amit can pan and show, there is a high number of women who are present. Remember, women of Bihar have been a captive audience of Nitish Kumar. आज आप लोग यहाँ पर खड़ी हैं, मोदी जी को देखने आई हैं.
मोदी जी को देखने आए हैं. हाँ,
मोदी जी को देखने आए हैं.
2024 में भी खड़ी थी जब रोड शो उन्होंने किया था.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
आज भी आई हैं.
हाँ हाँ.
क्या उम्मीद है?
उम्मीद है जीतने का. हाँ.
महिलाएं क्या सोच रही हैं इस बार बिहार की?
मोदी जी को जिताने का.
चलिए, you heard and got some kind of voter meter right here as Prime Minister begins his roadshow. I'll be connecting with Aishwarya in just a bit, but a quick word from the 2 analysts who are joining us on this broadcast. Sajjan Kumar is with us. We also have Rajat Sethi. Rajat, you heard from the women of Bihar. You heard a voice also of the youth. The sentiment is clear that they want to catch a glimpse of Prime Minister, but at the same time, they have faith in the NDA.
Yes, Maria, I think this is the last weekend before Patna city and all the 14 seats in the Patna city goes into poll on the 6th of November. And I think Prime Minister will do everything to ensure that a positive message is given through his roadshow. And I think this has now been a usual affair where Prime Minister comes in and marks the last weekend before the election